This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am on Norwegian Encore. We're getting a room tour. We're in room 15842, which is an ocean view balcony. So you do have to put a card in the slot for all the lights and everything to work. We're gonna start with the bathroom. The water does not come with the room. That was a pre-order. I have a European plug here. Oops, and those two there, or three, sorry. There is a small fridge. Is it open? Hold on. Okay. That is not free. Not included. I'm gonna go turn on those lights here in just a second. Let's look. We have some storage. Okay. Have the night lights. These can be split. I am with a friend. Our room store did not split them. We're here for work, so this is all work-related stuff. There is a USB on that side, and let's zoom in. One on that side as well. No plugs, but both do have a USB in the light. Let's go check out the balcony. They do have a lock. Okay, so that is what it looks like when it's locked. You just push it. We're in the Port of Miami. What is it? Whoops. Norwegian Encore. I already forgot my room number. 15842, I think.